Ever caught yourself listening to someone sharing their incredible journey of manifesting their dreams? You know, whether it's achieving success beyond their wildest dreams, finding a love that feels like it was written in the stars, or diving into an ocean of abundance. It's like they're whispering secrets of hidden power, right? The kind that seems to weave dreams into reality. But let's be real here, isn't it a bit mind-boggling? The whole concept of the law of attraction and manifestation can feel like peeking into a world of enchantment. I mean, come on, can we truly wrap our heads around the idea that simply thinking about something can bring it charging into our lives like a superhero on a mission? It's like watching a magic show where the magician is in your mind. So, let's take a journey together, exploring this mystical realm where thoughts transform into things and dreams dance with reality. Well, let me have the honor to explain how manifestation and science go hand in hand. There are proven claims that manifestation works like quantum physics. Manifestation is not spiritual or any witchcraft that people follow and claim to be real. We all know that everything in this universe, every tiny atom or subatomic particle moves and has its vibration and frequencies. If you want to know more about the laws of vibration and frequency, make sure to check out my previous video. I have mentioned linked in the description below. We as a human can only observe and feel only the 1% of the part that exists in the world. And it is important to understand because when we manifest, we connect to the rest of the world that is not in contact with us. The non-physical world that's beyond our control. The world that connects our thoughts to the universe, to the divine power. Quantum physics reveals that at the most fundamental level, everything is composed of energy and consciousness. To grasp the science of manifestation, we need to first understand quantum physics, the underlying field of energy that has been created through our thoughts, emotions, and intentions. Like everything in the universe, from the tiniest particle to the largest thing, everything is made of frequencies and vibrations. Similarly, our emotions have their frequencies and vibrations. Every emotion we feel is either happiness, sadness, or anger. Anything we feel, we radiate different kinds of emotions. Now the key is, we feel and resonate with higher frequency when we feel positive and happy. And as higher the frequency level increases, we get closer and closer to peace and enlightenment. Ever taken a moment to observe those radiant souls who seem to have a permanent Zen mode activated in their lives? It's like they've got happiness on speed dial. But here's the kicker. It's not just about being happy. It's about being on the fast track to enlightenment. Imagine this. They're not just living in the physical world, but they've got this cosmic hotline to the non-physical realm, where dreams take shape. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty of their secret sauce. You see, it's all about frequencies and vibes. When they tune into the wavelengths of what they desire, it's like the universe snaps its fingers and brings their dreams to life, like some cosmic DJ spinning their favorite tune. Cool, huh? It's not just about wanting something. It's about grooving to the right frequency and letting the universe take care of the rest. So, how do we do that? How do we align our thoughts and emotions that are present in the physical world to the vibrations and frequency of reality from the non-physical world? And before we begin, I would even love to introduce the concept of multiple realities. This concept explains that mass and energy exist on different levels. The present we have is on different levels of mass and energy. Similarly, the reality we want to manifest exists on a different level. Let's say the car you wanted or the dream job. They exist on different levels of reality. So when we try to manifest, we are trying to tune our frequency and vibrations to the reality we want or desire, just like tuning the radio frequency. Manifestation is more than just wishful thinking. The universe, with different realities on a different energy level, exists, and the real manifestation. The core of manifestation is to align our core, our thoughts, our emotions, and tune to the reality we want. So, how do we do that? Is it possible then? Yes, of course it is. Our mind is a creator, and the power it beholds is uncanny. The creator and co-creator exist within our minds, and we use our brains and emotions to tell the universe, the divine energy, what we want and what our wishful thoughts are. Think about your thoughts as tiny sparks of electricity and your emotions as little magnets. When these two team up, they create a special bubble of energy around you. Let's call it your energy bubble. This energy bubble is like a chat room where your vibes have a direct line to the universe's control center, which we'll call the quantum field. So, whatever you're thinking and feeling right, the emotions you are radiating are now sending messages to the universe. And guess what? These messages are like blueprints that shape the world around you. Now, how do we tune into the right channel? Well, by connecting to the non-physical world. And how do we do that? There are many ways to connect to the non-physical world. One of the ways to do this is by imagining and visualizing things. Before starting this manifestation technique, I would recommend you guys fully trust and have faith in this technique. Believe and have faith in the power of the universe, because it's real, and a lot of successful people use manifestation to get to their desired reality. So, scripting or writing down the things that we desire in a detailed manner would help. See, when we write our desires down in detail, our emotions and feeling gets attached to them. When we script, we feel as if the things we are writing or scripting are true and they exist, and the emotions and vibrations we emit at that time get closer to tuning to the reality we have wanted. We align to the right universe, or the reality in the universe that consists of different realities. So another step is to get into alignment. When we try to tune in to the right channel, we feel the emotions that the reality we are scripting is true. After scripting, we get closer to the right channel. Now we feel the emotions. We elevate how we feel. Imagine how you would feel if you had that job. You would probably feel elevated emotions like gratitude, joy, wonder, and love. This is the feeling part, the magnetic part where we attract what we desire into the present reality. The key is to feel the emotions and radiate the vibrations and frequency through the emotions we feel. Maintaining the feeling of being elevated and happy helps you tune into the reality that already exists in the universe. By doing these techniques, you are attracting what you want and getting away from the things that you don't want in your life. We go through different levels of emotions throughout the day. We send different electromagnetic signals to the quantum field, attracting what we feel. So try to remain consistent. Be happy and feel the desires of reality coming to you. The dream job you wanted is already there. The key to manifestation is we practice this every day and every time, making our mind clear and calm. With time and practice, it would even be easier, and you will be able to form a habit of being happy and abundant. Believing in the universe's power is like having a secret ally. Imagine this. Our thoughts are like magnets that pull things towards us. So why not focus on the good stuff? It's like having a happiness strategy. Now, here's the trick. Don't just think about it, feel it deep down. Imagine you're like a radio station sending out signals of joy and plenty. The universe tunes in and goes, "Got it." So if you're broadcasting feelings of happiness and abundance, that's exactly what the universe picks up. It's like having a magic remote that switches your reality to a channel filled with happiness and abundance.